Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set up Face ID on iPhone 15. So at first open iPhone settings. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. And then scroll down, find here to Face ID and passcode. Click on to enter your current passcode. And then showing here to this option. I'm already set up my Face ID, so first of all reset Face ID. Okay, and then showing here to set up Face ID, so click on to get start. To rotate your face, and then click on don't use Face ID with a mask, or if you want to add this, press on to done. Okay, now successfully set up my Face ID.